Good morning, everybody. CPI day today. We got green futures. Yesterday was crazy. We went down. What was interesting yesterday was that we went down longer until like almost 12 p.m., 11 something, and then slow motion crawl up, and then later the day I will show you on the SPY. When the 5 minutes MACD did cross, then dump into the close. Anyhow, as I predicted, CPI not much effect. Yes, future went up, so probably they priced it in and went up to 45.25 and pulled back and then up. Now it's kind of flat after CPI, but futures are green. So anyhow, pre-market direction right now, 5 is up, 15 is curved up. If it gets a golden cross, it would be interesting. And yeah, for sure, baby. Yesterday was the best day for um, same day option expiration. A lot of people banked money. Some people lost money too. A lot of people lost money too. Anyhow, 30 is up, 1 hour, 4 hour is upward, and you're still bearish on daily, and weekly is downward. So we'll see how it goes. NQ, the same thing, but 5 is up and 15 is already golden crossed. And as you can see here, um, it's more green. The index on NQ is more greenish than SES. 15 is MACD golden cross, 30 is up, 1 hour is up, 4 hours about to golden cross. But in general, NQ is more bearish than other indexes and other than ES. You can see here daily we still have red bars, and once we get a yellow bar, then we can go up again. But for now, weekly is downward, and if it dead crosses, it's gonna be danger ahead. Um, so let's see. Dow Jones, um, daily, weekly, they mixed signal there. As I mentioned before, I expect Dow Jones to make a new all-time high. Other than first, between other indexes, I expect this one to make an all-time high first. RUT do same like NQ, 4 hours upwards. So NTNX, TNX daily MACD is dead crossing and is below 40, and that's really good. Yesterday went below 40, but it was still holding near it. But right now, today, we got a dead cross already, so that's a good news from TNX. So less trouble from TNX, but it's still bullish on weekly. But you can see here the bars are the same size. So if you get a dark blue bar on the weekly, it's gonna get interesting. So if TNX goes down, market can go up. Keep that in mind. Rates go lower, inflation goes lower, maybe. 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, everything is upward. So if you like to play TNX, you can play TLT. TLT 97.41 right now. That's a key level. If it passes, we're looking at 98.7, 98.91. Breaks 98.91. We're looking at 100, 102, and 103. Next one is DXY pre-market looking flat, downward, and negative -0.4. Weekly is still bullish. Daily we got a dark blue bar, but 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily is downward. So that could be good catalyst. So if it goes below 101.91.914, next is 101.37. So you see this falling today, market can rip up higher. BTC, um, daily was golden crossing yesterday, but then as soon as it opens, it start going down. Market was red, so this one joined. So better wait for the better confirmation. But it needs to stay above 30 to run to 32k. But as long as it goes above 30 and comes down, it's not gonna be good for now. Apple, 179.51. That's a key level to watch. Right now is hovering around it. Pre-market 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, everything is upward. 4 hour already going across. What was interesting is that Apple was strong yesterday before open. It was above 179.51. Then as soon as it opens, it dropped, and that was a signal that market is gonna fall more, and it did fall more. But it was the Apple run up was a signal that market is gonna bounce up. Then yeah, at the end of the day, we got a dump. But so pay attention to Apple. It's moving. Every point move in Apple is a huge billion of dollar, and almost every index has Apple. So this one has a huge effect. So if you see it running, next target is 181 193.2, and if it runs, it can lift up the market. If it goes down, that means direction is downward. So Apple is a direction setter. Yeah, for now, if you see a jump continue, 181.13, 183.2. Amazon, interesting that it doesn't want to let go 140. Even yesterday was dumping 137. It supported and bounced back up. So pre-market right now 5, 15, 30. 1 hour is upward. 4 hour still we have red bars, but if it sees yellow bar, it can run up again. This one probably is gonna, if you look at daily, is in a tight range like $5, and probably is gonna stay in the range until get a strong breakout either way. So anyhow, just pay attention to the price action and levels. If it runs up today, 140.38, 141.52, and 143.12. Nvidia, horrible day yesterday, very very horrible. And as you can see here, pre-market was bearish, so always pay attention. 30 and 15 was already dead cross. SMCI didn't have a good earning, they guided down. I mean, they had a good earning, they guided down, so it dropped crazy. And as soon as it opened, it starts dropping. 441 was a key level, key major level. Breaks that, 432. Breaks that, 422. And right now it's still in the weak category, so keep that in mind. Nvidia is in the weak category, and if you see it drop today again, 417.17 is a major level to come. If that one passed, we're looking at 414 and lower level near 400. Pre-market right now, 5 is down, 15 is still downward, 30 is kind of flat, 1 hour flat, 4 hours still bearish, daily very bearish, and weekly it's near to have a dead cross. So it is bearish, but if market goes up, this one can join too. Just keep that in mind. If you see 15 minutes and 15 30 is already flat, so if you see 15 minutes MACD golden cross, first you're going to show yellow bar TTM. But if you see 15 minutes MACD golden crosses and passes 426, it can go back to 432 and higher level. But in general, 4 hour daily and weekly is bearish, so this one is in the category of weak names. Just keep that in mind. If market goes down, this one is the most can go down. Baba had an earning, nice earning, beat 99.94, that's a higher pre-market. 98.83, that's a major level. If it passes a strong, we're looking at 99.6, 186, and 102.11. Keep in mind, Baba, first few minutes option is not gonna work as always. That's how this name is. And if you see a jump at open, like first 5-10 minutes, this one is gonna go. And 102.11, high of this season, and 102.5. If it passes 102.5, next target is 104.77, 107.42. There is a small chance it goes crazy because 30, 1 hour, 4 hour looks very bullish. But at the same time, as always, another alternative, if you see 30 minutes, if you see drop 97.7, 96.81, if 30 minutes back to dead cross, then pull back to the lower level. Bidu joining Baba, so 146.17, that's the next key level to watch. Passes that one, we're looking at 149.14, 152.12. If jumps at open, can go to 150 easy. Netflix 6 points higher, Disney earning helped it, and CPI and green futures helping it more. And right now 437 is a key level to watch. 437.76, that's the next target. Pre-market looking very bullish on 5 to 1 hour. 4 hours is kind of flat, daily is downward, weekly is about to dead cross, so keep that in mind. Generally this one tend to drop then go up again, so just be cautious at open. But if today breaks 437, we're looking at 439, 443, and 446. Meta 4 points higher, 310, that's a key level to watch. 4 hour we got yellow bar, so that's a good sign. If could pass 310, again same thing, continue in the yo-yo range to 312, 315, and 317. Tesla 3 points higher, 246.1, that's a key level to watch. 4 hour did golden cross yesterday before market, but then boom, it dumped. So today right now is again to have a golden cross, but keep in mind, because the daily is bearish and the weekly is curved down, anytime there is a chance that this one dumps or fast pulls back. Any bounce up can be short term and temporary, so be cautious about it. But for now, pre-market 5, 15, 30, 1 hour looking upwards, and 246.1 breaks, we're looking at 248.56, 252.55, and 256.54. There is a chance 256 comes by Friday, especially if PPI is good. 256 should come. Microsoft, and again same thing like Nvidia in the category of weak names. Weekly already dead cross, daily downward. But today futures are green, and 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, everything is upward. Is holding 326. So if it passes 327.41, we're looking at 329, 331.41. But again, as I mentioned, last few days Microsoft was in the category of big names. So if it can hold 326 and you see 1530 MACD that crosses, it can go to the lower level. Google. Good morning, Josh. Thank you, thank you. So SMCI, I will do that one too. Google, it's in a very, very tight range, up and down. So premiums out of the money are dying. And 130, 182, that's a key level to watch. Breaks that one, 132, 134, 415. And keep in mind, it's good that premium dies. It's in the tight range. So once it breaks out, premium's gonna go up big time crazy. Key levels to watch today: 130, 182 breaks, 132.71, 134.15, and 135.59. But most likely it's just gonna be between 130 and 132, up and down. AMD, big name that moves big these days, and 112.21, that's the key level to watch. That one breaks 112.98, 114.22, and 115.47. Pre-market 5 to 1 hour is upward, 4 hour we got yellow bar. It's all about 112.21. If it breaks again 110, it can go retest near 1811, 108.18. But keep in mind, AMD, if you look at the weekly chart, every time it went below 108.18, it had a big jump up. So it's near the bottom unless it breaks 105 and goes lower. Boeing 240, that's the key level. 240, 36 breaks, 241, 243.29. Pre-market looking very hot bullish. Still very bullish on 4. Still 4 hours not dead cross, and daily and weekly is still bullish. So it's all about 240, 36. SPY. Just want to show you guys here something from yesterday. So you can see here it dropped. It made a range. It broke the bottom of the range and went boom down lower. And then once it came here, 5 minutes MACD golden cross and was just non-stop run up. Just keep in mind, last 2 days was interesting that the 5 minutes MACD golden cross or dead cross, and it was just continuing non-stop going. So that means there is solid runs up or runs down happening. And right now, 5 is up. So we'll see how long this is gonna last. 5 is up, 15:30, 1 hour is upward, 4 hours golden cross. So it's if we need to jump and we need to hold 449.14 past 450 to go to 451.18. Past that one, we can go to the higher level. But again, this morning it jumped and then it dumped. So and then it jumped again. And if it goes below 447, it's going to be dangerous. And if the 15 and 30 MACD dead crosses, 447 is a key level to watch. Breaks that one, it can go back to 446 and lower level. QQQ, above 370. Again, it's some yo-yo action there right now. 15:30, everything is upward, same like NQ. It's all about letting go 370 or not. So if it goes below 370, breaks the bottom of the pre-market here after the CPI report, 369.65, breaks that one, it can go back to 367.54. We've seen before CPI that the reaction after it was opposite, and we've seen also the other way too, like it opened up and went higher. So anything is possible to happen. Again, pre-market high is 372.3. Right now we're looking bullish, so if it passes that high, next target is 375.1. That's pretty much it on the main names. Let me see. Caterpillar, 4 hours already dead crossing there. SMCI, 362 right now. It made a new low this morning to 256, but as you can see here, 15:30, 1 hour, everything is upward. 4 hour, we still don't have a yellow bar. Once we got a yellow bar in the 4 hour, then it can be some hope that a more serious jump up comes. Because as you see here yesterday, it went to 260, then it jump, fade. So this can keep repeating until you see a 4 hour golden cross, or at least comes with a yellow bar first. 266 needs to break to go to 274 and 281.56. What else you got? UPST, 1 point lower. So this one, next target is 30, 25, and 20. This one is on the down run, so 30 most likely will come. Pi and W has earning after close today. It is funny, but it is what it is. And that's pretty much it. So Disney, keep an eye on that one too. 90.31, that's a key level to watch. Yesterday high was 92.8. If it does break 90.31, it can run up to 91.62, 92.65, 94, and 96 maximum. Um, Yep. So let me just look at the other names. AVGO 7 points higher. So that one looking good pre-market too. Let me just add it here. So 360, 862. If it passes, we're looking at 867, 873.48. Looking bullish pre-market. AI PLTR. Um, That's pretty much it. Gold also jumped up, but it's kind of flat right now, and we have 15 and 30 dark blue bar. So it's all about actions at open. SPY, you want to see if it breaks 450 or goes below 447 and 446. Breaks either one is gonna have a much bigger move. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you you can sign up for chartwiser.com or say an option. And best of luck. Tomorrow is also PPI. I think that one has a big effect. Just letting you know. All right, bye.